Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. As we're heading into the weekend, the situation hasn't really changed. I mean, the situation is still that we have the potential for gold to run in a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup. That remains at the moment the primary expectation as long as gold holds above 1865. Yeah, this is for the second 1-2 setup here, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. As long as that level is holding, I see no trouble for gold, unless it creates some kind of a strange impulsive move to the downside that wouldn't really fit in. But so far, we had a trend reversal area here back in October, which did hold. We had one here back in March. Yeah, it only came into the region between the 50% and the 38.2 Fib level, but was okay. And now we had another one which only was touched, but which is holding so far. And then actually we had another one that I gave you recently that price also used and rallied out of it, came into it again, rallied out of it again. So at the moment, the situation here in the short term is a little unclear. I think we are still in an overall bullish scenario. At least the current opportunity is, in my opinion, one that shouldn't be missed or ignored. What I'm watching for is now, can gold really rally in a third wave from here? At the moment, I have no strong evidence it does. Okay, so as I said to you before, I cannot confirm to you that gold has definitely bottomed here. I'm simply observing it at this stage. For anybody who wants more clarity, everybody could wait for this 5-wave move to the upside to complete. At the moment, at best, we only have a 1-2 setup complete. Yeah, even though I don't like what happens here at the moment. But everybody who wants more clarity and more confirmation should wait for the 5 up, or could wait, and the 3 waves down. And then we have a larger 1-2 setup. This is the bullish interpretation. And as long as in the very short term it's holding 1948, it could rally here in this 5-wave move. If it breaks below 1948, then 1937, 1907 and 1865 become relevant. What happens if we break below 1865? Well, I would then have to assume that we rallied off the November lows or October lows only in a 3-wave structure to the upside, and that we're now starting possibly an impulse to the downside, something like a wave 1 to the downside here, because it is a 5-wave move, which I at the moment count as an ABC, where the C wave is the 5-wave move. The move up could just be a wave 2. We could then come down in a 3rd wave, could get a 4th wave up and a 5th wave down to make basically new lows below the October or November lows. Because some people ask me for the bearish scenario. Well, that's it, but a bearish count doesn't help much as long as we are holding bullish support at 1865. But at least you know what should happen if we break below 1865. But again, as the moment we're holding all support areas, as you know, with all of these, it is always the same thing. As long as they're holding, it can be traded, and at some point the structure will break. It's like a trend line which will break at some point, you know. It's just sort of part of the game. So it's the nature of the beast. But yeah, this is now still basically unchanged. We wait for an impulsive breakout or a decision here in the market. This is a potential at the moment in the short term, but I can't really confirm to you that this is bottomed already. So waiting here a little bit for some further clarity. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.